Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting new project which is called AI based search engine powered by Google Gemini Flash model. If you are looking to build or explore a super fast modern search engine right on your local machine, in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can set up and run this AI powered search engine locally using just a few simple steps. So, whether you are a developer looking to integrate an AI or simply curious about how these technologies works, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button. So, without any further ado, let's get. First of all, go to github.com and open my profile. And here, as you can see, this is a repository. Just click on it. Now, in this repository, you can get all the information related to all the files and how you can deploy this repository and how you can run it in your local machine. All the information you can get from this just in simple ways. You just have to copy the link from here and paste it here. Git clone, paste a URL and press enter. After that, you will get all these files in your VS Code, and whatever IDE you are using, you can get all the files in the panel. Now, first of all, what you have to do is you just have to open .env file and paste your Google API key here. So let me tell you that how you can get the Google API. Open aistudio.google.com and press enter. And now click on get API key. After that, you can see this type of interface. Now, what you have to do is you just have to click on create an API key. I have already my own API key, so I don't need to go with this step. You just have to copy your API key from here. And now go to your development environment and paste your API key here. Now, first of all, install npm and paste it here and install. After that, open your project location. This is my location where I have all the files. Now, right click here and open in terminal. So this is a complete location where you have a project, and now what you have to do is you just have to type run dev and press enter. It will take some time, and here as you can see it shows me that rest express at 1.0.0 dev, and I have tsx server, and now my server has been started. Press allow. Now it is showing me that all the project has deployed on the port 3001. So what you have to do is you just have to open your browser and open 3001, which is a localhost 3001, and press enter. So here as you can see, this is a search engine. Now search anything like. Now here as you can see it is showing me all the repositories related to OpenAI. We have these two repositories. I can click on this button. So this is a GitHub OpenAI repository, and let me check the second repository, which is this one. So it is showing me that github.com OpenAI/OpenAI Python. And in the bottom side, you can see that it is showing me that OpenAI has a GitHub organization where they host many of their projects. So let me check The other projects they have a key repositories, Whisper, which is a voice-based model, speech recognition model. Then we have Evils, OpenAI Python, GitHub repository, uh, question for AI model testing from SN site, right? So press enter. Here as you can see, it is showing me the only one repository, and just have to click on this link. And here as you can see, this is my repository, questions for AI model testing. So these are all the details. So guys, this is how you can get AI search engine into your local machine. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will be joining you in the next video. Take care.